You know what needs to get done, but you just don't have the time, the team, or the bandwidth to do it. That's where we come in. GoSAR Consulting's done for you. Project Service tackles those one-off, high-priority initiatives your team can't get to. Whether it's process documentation, system setup, training programs, or solving a specific business challenge, we scope it, staff it, and get it done. You stay in the driver's seat. We handle the heavy lifting. Our team checks in at key milestones to ensure we stay aligned with your goals. No new hires, no long-term contracts, just progress. Have a project in mind? Let's get it off your plate and into motion.